Capturing testimonials with forms and pushing them to your website is a powerful way to build credibility and trust. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, using simple steps that'll save you time and effort. First, let's talk about why this process is crucial. Testimonials are key to social proof. They give your potential customers confidence in your product or service. By capturing testimonials through forms, you can automate this process and push them directly to your website, making it easier for you to showcase positive feedback. Here's the first step. You'll need a form tool that allows you to easily create and customize your testimonial forms. I've tested many options out there, and I'll tell you which one I recommend at the end of the video. The key here is that you want a tool that's easy to set up, collects the necessary information, and integrates seamlessly with your website. Once you've chosen your software, create your form. Keep it simple. Just ask for the person's name, a rating, and their testimonial. Some tools allow you to include options for uploading images or videos, which can add extra authenticity to your testimonials. After you've set up your form, it's time to integrate it with your website. Many form tools have built-in integrations with popular website builders or content management systems. If your website uses WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, there's a good chance you can easily embed your form by copying and pasting a short snippet of code. Just follow the instructions within the form tool to embed it in a testimonial section or a specific page on your site. Here's where it gets exciting. Once the form is live, you'll start collecting testimonials automatically. But it doesn't stop there. You'll want these testimonials to appear right on your website as soon as they're submitted. With the right setup, your form can push the testimonials directly to a live section on your website. This gives you the ability to instantly display new reviews without lifting a finger. You can even set up an approval process if you want to review them before they go live. So, to summarize, choose a simple form tool, set up your testimonial form, embed it on your website, and let the testimonials flow in and automatically push to your site. If you want to follow along with this process, I'm offering an exclusive free trial to the software we're using in the description below. Here's the key takeaway. Capturing testimonials with forms and pushing them to your website is a quick and efficient way to gather social proof. By automating the process, you save time and effort while showcasing real feedback from your customers, helping to build trust with future buyers. Don't forget, grab your exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to try out the software I recommend. Thanks for watching.